Trying to catch me quick and dirty. Hey, what's up? It's your boy ADHDaniels here. Got a couple things I want to make before I go to bed here. It's called a midnight snack, and basically what it is I'm gonna make this big ass peanut butter thing. And hopefully these don't end up getting fucked up and crusted around the middle, because I want to make this with this. Now, these things are expired though, which is why I have that green light on, because green light represents an expired color, because when you think of something green, you think of something expired and nasty and makes you want to like regurgitate out of your system and shit. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make a midnight snack real quick. Hope this doesn't wake the neighbors. Alright, so first thing is just get this big ass bowl. Oh, I almost did it too. Some vegetable oil. Optional, but not necessary. Chocolate chips. I mean, I'm making peanut butter chocolate chip cookies though, so y'all do whatever you want to use. Of course, peanut butter mix or some kind of cookie mix, whatever it is. An egg and some tablespoons, I'm sorry. Alright, so it says 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 egg, but I need to find out what a tablespoon is.
3 weeks later.
So a tablespoon is just like 1/2 of a cup. Alright, let's get to this. Ooh, a lot of dust came off that shit. Okay. I'm gonna mix this up first because I don't trust this. It's like a bunch of powder and shit. Oh, damn! I threw that away, but it had the instructions. Alright, no, yeah, I don't need it. 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I see why it needs all that, because it's a big ass bowl. Vegetable oil. 1, 2, 3. Alright, now I gotta get some water because I can't just pull water out my ass and pee in it. I should have got a new one because this one is kind of mixed with the vegetable oil, but whatever the fuck. The egg. Ooh, that didn't get in the camera, did it? Okay, good. Fuck. I did not expect that splash. Didn't get on the camera. So now I'm gonna start mixing this now before I get the chocolate chips in. See, now I'm gonna have to freeze this up or something, so I can feel like this texture. Hopefully we didn't fuck it up. Yep. Gonna have to harden it. Damn it. We're gonna have to cut though, because I'm not sure if it's supposed to look all. Look how milky it looks. I don't think it's supposed to look that milky, so yeah, we're gonna have to freeze it and then cut it in the morning.
Tomorrow.
Alright, so yesterday things didn't go as planned, like I wanted it to, but I mean, it ended up being a little bit milky though. But here's the thing. I take this with a spoon. We can see that it's too thick to be made into cookie dough because it's just basically like thick and shit. But I thought I could put it into this pan and make some kind of, you know, peanut butter cookie brownie shaped pie thing. So we're gonna try that. This should fit just nice. I just have to ask Siri how long brownie mix is supposed to be in the oven for, and then we're straight. But here we go. Well, so far this is looking good and thick enough. Second here. The thing is, I still gotta put the chocolate chips in there. I gotta scoop this shit up, so hang on. But now's the part where I want to put some chocolate chips into this though. Just gotta pat it down and see how thick it is. So far, the leveling seems good, so I can maybe tap it down some more, as long as it doesn't get in the other side. Okay, just try to spin it, give it some even ground. I feel like those are peanut butter chips. They're kind of like morsels though, but we don't really have to worry about all that since we're making a chocolate chip cookie dough. And I've seen this done. There's pre-made pans that have chocolate chip cookies dough. We're just taking a mistake and making it into something innovational with chocolate chips. So I'm gonna put a few chocolate chips in here. So what I'm hoping to get out of this is just like maybe 8 slices. I just gotta cook it properly. Just get the toothpick. All right, let's get this bad boy into the oven. Let's hope I don't trip on that wire. Here it goes. Now we wait. 23 minutes should be good. Alright, let's see how these bad boys are doing. Ooh. Yeah, it's still pretty fluffy in there, so we're gonna have to leave it in there. So I reset the timer because it's gonna take longer. Alright, I think this should be good. Yeah, this is good. Alright, here's the test. There we go. Oh yeah. That's that softness you want. You want to be able to cut through it. See how the edges are like puffy though? You know, for some reason putting a spray on it, let me just curve it around. Shit, don't fall. So the last thing you want to do is just, you know, make this thing stick. The chocolate chips get in is the question. Oh yeah, those chocolate chips got in. Alright, so we're gonna let this cool down for a bit. I'll turn the fan on. Alright, so you can only like two. Alright, so as you can see, the crust is actually doing pretty damn good. I just want to pick it up to where I can get a slice and just. Yeah. I feel like I should have left it in longer. So that's some plastic here. I gotta find a way to flip this bad boy. I'm gonna put this up first. Okay, you know what? I think a smarter idea would be for us to do this. Not make such a mess. And then flip it over. Then do that. You know? And you can see the chocolate chips got in there really good. They got in there in the crisp crust. It's a good thing I rounded those edges from earlier. Yep, so there you have it. Peanut butter cookies turned into peanut butter chocolate chip brownie pie. Now I gotta clean this shit. Alright, so quick math, because I want to figure out how much time it actually took. I think it took 35 minutes or something like that. I had to constantly stop the timer because I wanted to check and open the vent. So I stopped one cycle. I had total of 3 cycles. Stopped one cycle at 6 minutes from 23. The second cycle, 12 minutes from 23. And then the third one, 8 minutes from 23. Subtract all those numbers from 33. You get 16, 11, and 15, which all equal 41. Or sorry, 42. So it took 40 minutes for me to get that perfect pie, or cookie pie, rookie, what do they call it? I looked it up though. It says was a prep 20 minutes, cook 20 minutes, but I'm like, that's all together, so it's whatever.